Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, really just kind of illustrates how powerful of a day it was, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had in a very long time. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.70, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above that point, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part going forward. Next level of support, taking a step back and really just kind of looking at the big picture of it all. It's about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scope of things perspective, if you're sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want an easy way to gauge the health of the move. Quote unquote, the move being defined as that right there. How do you gauge the health of that? Again, that purple line, as long as the price stays above the purple line as the line itself moves itself higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above $1.70 would be preferable, but at the end of the day, from the grand viewpoint of it all, as long as it's above that purple line, the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, there's definitely some sellers hanging out right around the $1.92-ish area, give or take. But you can see on a couple instances earlier today, the bulls did try to push up through there, but the bears ultimately rejected it back down. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, nice move today. And as long as the price continues to build higher bases, then the chart will just bring in that many more people. And the more people that see it, the healthier and healthier the trend will become. But yeah, just keep on doing what it's been doing. Keep on building higher bases and let the chart take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.